Oh.
Hi guys.
But Harry was sitting there and
I'm gonna be doing this.
His blood pressure just started raising because of how loud Nate talks. I don't
If
know.
you hear noises, it's my mom talking in the background. My aunt and stuff. What?
You know, I thought that too. Mother really wants that.
She said herself.
No.
Just hang on. Pretty
No
energetic.
swearing when I'm making videos, Mom.
I thought she just thinks you're a body now.
Or
I've done it.
I've done it, remember? I've been for
okay,
her
so
birthday
I'm
party
just gonna
too.
set this together because I already know how to play it.
Did you already hit play?
Yes.
Okay.
You gotta get 25 points.
Give me that attitude.
Now Mom's already a few weeks till.
Okay, so wait.
What?
here's my
If he, I'm telling you, he does that. He's gonna piss him the fuck off.
If he tried to rent a car to go up there, is he really gonna pay for a
So
taxi
I'm
to get
just
to the
gonna use
rent a
this
car
sponge
place?
because I do have whipped
Should've
cream,
laid
but
out
I
remember,
just don't
Enterprise
want
will
to use
pick
it.
you up.
I'm gonna start out with a little bit of white.
I don't think he's that
He,
smart
well,
though.
before anyone knew Alan forgot to pee, he, when I was getting ready to leave, goes,
Okay.
"Do you want to be my Uber?" And I said, "No, because you don't fucking pay. I'll pay you $40 to take me to Snowshoe." I said, "The Uber is going to charge you $40
Okay.
from State College to Milesburg."
Here you go, guys.
She fixed it.
She did.
Here's a
We
better
were laughing
view
because she was giving
of
attitude about
me
And,
getting
videoing.
and it was facing the Little Caesars.
She gonna smack herself with cheese. She's gonna have her mouth wide open, I bet, and go,
Ew, no.
She's gonna start putting food on there.
This is
I
how
thought that
I'm
was food.
Ah, where's the spinner?
Pretty sure that's cheese.
I feel like if Nate don't shut the fuck up and Harry tells
No.
Alan, Alan's going to be like, "I'm keeping my
Mom, my
truck."
fender's slamming.
Well,